Welcome to this journey into the world of Azure AI, Microsoft powerful set of tools and services. So in this slide at the first is Azure AI Foundry, a platform to build and deploy enterprise ready AI apps. The second one is the Copilot, which is your smart assistant in Microsoft Edge. Third one is the cognitive search. It is a plug and play AI API for vision, speech and more. And other we have Azure OpenAI. So Azure OpenAI access to model like GPT or DALL, and Azure ML, Azure Machine Learning. It is end-to-end ML platform, and we also covered AutoGen in the next slide. Now with so many copilots and Azure AI tools available, it can be like a bit confusing, especially if you are new to this space. That's why I would like to build and walk through each of the capabilities step by step, so showing how they fit together and what they do. Whether you are a developer, business user, business leader or data analyst, you will get a clear idea after this presentation. So let us dive in. So the first one is the Azure AI Foundry. Before it was AI Studio, Azure AI Studio, and now it is called Azure AI Foundry. So Azure AI Foundry is a unified platform to build, deploy and manage advanced AI system. It combines RAG, GPT, agent, prompt flow, search and CI/CD in under one roof. Example: build a support agent that chats with user, find documents and deploy securely. And think like it is a metal workshop, okay, where we can give the raw material and give the ready-made product. Same way it is applied here in Azure AI Foundry. And we already developed one project based on this Azure AI Foundry. So I will give you the link in description. You just see where we are combining multiple tools there. The next one is the Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is a conversational AI assistant tool built on ChatGPT 4 and Microsoft Prometheus. It comes in three versions basically. The first one is the Microsoft Copilot built into Bing or Windows, and second one is the Copilot for Office 365. So it is based on the Office 365's flavor like Word, Excel, Outlook. And third one is the Copilot Studio. So Copilot Studio to build your own AI assistant with very limited code. Copilot is not limited for Microsoft 365 only. It is a part of much bigger ecosystem. So here you can see GitHub Copilot, which help you to develop or writing code very fast in real time AI suggestion. Then we have Copilot Dynamics 365, which assists with the sales, marketing or custom service tasks using natural language. And you will find Copilot in Power Platform tools like Power BI, Power Apps and Power Automate, helping user build report, apps and workflow without deep technical skill. And it is even integrated into Azure, bringing intelligence assistant to cloud development and automation tasks. No matter where you work, whether it is writing the code, analyzing the data or building app, there is a Copilot ready to help you. Then we have Azure Cognitive Service. It is rebranded as a Azure AI Services. So Azure AI Services offer ready to use API for vision, speech, language, decision and search. You can do face detection, sentiment analysis, speech to text and more with very little code. Example like detecting a defect using custom vision API or transcribe calls with speech to text. We already implemented one of the service text to speech, speech to text in one of our separate projects. So I will give you the link. You can use that one. Machine learning is the full platform for building, training and deploying machine learning model. It supports MLOps, automated pipeline and scalable training also. Example, create a credit risk model, deploy it and auto retrain it with new data. And we have Azure OpenAI service also there. So Azure OpenAI service gives secure enterprise access to ChatGPT 3.5, GPT Turbo 4, Codex and DALL. Use this model via API or inside Azure AI Foundry. Some example like generating text, code automation or code completion, create image, and build smart chatbot. All are possible by using Azure OpenAI. And the last one, here we have AutoGen. So AutoGen is an open source framework for creating teams of AI agents that collaborate. It support tools, uses human in the loop and modular workflow. Here is a simple example, like one agent browse the web, another one read the document, and the third one is the write code. With all together is possible by using AutoGen framework.